super exciting video. You guys get to finally meet my best friend. This is Stephanie.
Hello.
I'm sure you guys have seen me reference her on my Snapchat many times and a couple times on my Instagram, so you guys already know of her. But now you get to officially meet her. And today we're gonna be turning her into Poison Ivy, as you can see. It is super fun and so cool, and if you guys recreate this, please tag me on any of my social media. I would love to see your recreations. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Beautybyjosiek. It is that little red button down there, and if you click it and then click the little notification bell next to it, you will become a part of the Glam fam, and you will never miss another one of my videos. And I also have an Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat, and Periscope. They're also at Beautybyjosiek. I do most of my talking to y'all over on those platforms, so I hope you go follow me over there. And that is it. Let's get into this tutorial. Alright, Glam fam, so this is my beautiful model and my best friend Stephanie. Please give her a warm welcome onto this channel. We are going to jump right into this, and we're going to glue down her eyebrows and put a base down on her face. So foundation and concealer, and we are going to set it, and then we're going to move on straight into the green eyeshadow and start to contour her whole face. The best way to get a natural, not skin tone contour is to start off with the lightest color that you want to be on your face. So we went in with a light green, and then a medium green, and then a dark green, and then used a tiny bit of black just in the spots that we really wanted to draw back. And at this point, you're gonna wonder yourself, I don't know if this is gonna work out, but keep going, because once you get all of the makeup and shadowing and everything done, it pulls together super nicely. The next step is we're going in with a red eyeshadow. This is by Makeup Forever, and we're going to smoke out her eyes with the red shadow and then cover her eyebrows with a shimmery white shadow. That will help cover the eyebrow hairs poking out from the glue stick method. And then you're going to take a red body paint and start to map out the eyebrow shape that you would like. We wanted the eyebrow to look like actual hairs coming out, so we feathered in some little tiny strokes, and we also kept a really nice arch on the eyebrow as well. Then we're going in with NYX's Jumbo Eye Pencil in black. It is Black Bean, and we are going to start to smoke that out on the lower portion of the eyelid. If you're having a hard time blending out that cream product, you can always go in with a powder and start to blend that out along the crease that the Jumbo Eye Pencil made. It will make blending out the black into the red a lot easier. And then going in with Stila's liquid eyeshadow, the Magnificent Glitter and Glow ones. This is in Molten Midnight. We are going to cover the mobile portion of the lid with the glitter, and then start to blend out that red eyeshadow a little bit more. Then, using glitter and NYX's glitter base, we are going to start to pack on the glitter. Now, if you guys are using glitter, make sure it's cosmetic grade. I didn't have any green cosmetics grade glitter. I asked Stephanie if she was willing to take the chance. We didn't really use it around her eyes like her actual eye. We just did it around the face, and she was totally okay with that. But if you recreate this at home, I 100% recommend a cosmetic grade glitter. They are just so much safer. Now, moving on, you can see that I am now covering her chest and neck in green, and we are going to blend it out so that it kind of fades when it gets halfway across the chest. Then we're going to be going in and deepening and contouring the décolleté area, the collarbones, the neck, everything that we want to bring out and also contour in, we are going to do now. And then going in with Diamond Dust, this is another Stila Magnificent Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow. We are going to highlight with this glitter. So on top of the collarbones and anywhere you want to bring out the height of an object, if that makes sense. And then I'm just going to go in and contour the collarbone a little bit more with some black, and then we are going to do the neck. And then we're going to go in with more glitter and start to move the glitter down to where we want the glitter path to go, if that makes sense. I am also adding a light white cosmetic grade glitter around the under of the eyes and the cheekbones for the highlight. And then we're going to kind of blend the two together. And then we're going to go in with NYX's matte liquid liner, and we are going to create the wing on the eyes. We went with a medium wing. You can do whatever kind of wing you'd like. Once I have the wing drawn on, I like to connect it above the wing and then color it in. I feel like that makes it a little bit easier. And then, this is the fun part, I went in with some body paint, and we are going to freehand all of the vines onto her chest and face. If you guys have a hard time freehanding anything on the chest and face area, you can always use a picture for reference, and that's what I did. I just kind of looked up a picture of some vines, and I just kind of copied it onto her chest and did my own little, you know, pattern, if you will. Then once I am done with the stems, if that's the word I'm looking for, I drew on the leaves. And once this is done, you can start to shade everything, and that's what really makes everything pop. Once you add the shading and the details, that's when it starts to come all together. A trick to shadowing when you're body painting or face painting is start with a lighter shadow color, and then you can always go in and darken it a little bit more. I find that if you go straight in with black for shadows, it's really hard to diffuse and make it look shadow-like, and then it's really hard to remove it and start over. Then I'm adding some fake leaves and doing her lips with red. And then we're going to make it an ombre and make it pop a little bit with that same Stila glitter we put on the collarbones. And then that is it. Alright guys, so that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. It's that little red button. And it's free to click, and you will become a part of my glam fam. I also have my Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Periscope. They're also at Beautybyjosiek. And I talk to y'all over there mostly. So I hope you go check that out. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Love you. Bye.
You have lipstick on your teeth too.
Yes. Let me see.
You're welcome.
How did he come in here and spot all that? And we're sitting here studying each other, and we don't see it? Tell me. He's in here for 2 seconds. He glances at us. Oh, you lipstick on your teeth. Yep, on yours too.
No, I'm never cutting pigs on myself ever. Ever.
just need to throw on a wig with bangs.
I really want bangs. Throw on the bang wig. No, I don't. I don't want bangs.
Never mind. Never mind. Changed my mind completely. Oh, and the kids nap tomorrow. I'm gonna nap so hard. Savage! Why are we so
I don't know. I'm just thinking.
We're up. What is wrong with us?
Where do you want that list to begin?
I don't think there's an ending. Or is there? We're not right.
Smack your lips. Yeah, that was good.
If I could just look like this every day.
Every day. This is my everyday look, guys. I know it looks like I take forever on my makeup, but this really just takes me like maybe 15 minutes.
And then I'm just like, out the door.
It's perfect for me because I don't really have enough time to do my makeup, so this is just very natural.
You know, with all the kids and all, I gotta do something quick. I just don't know how those girls like spend like hours and hours on their makeup like all day long.
I just don't get that. It doesn't make sense. Showers to get rid of the glitter all the way.
6 later, Josie.
This glitter's still in my hair!
I'm still green.
I'm not even kidding you. There are some times where I find glitter and I'm like, wasn't this from like 15 videos ago?
Oh my god.
Like, when was the last time I used gold glitter? It was like back in May.
That's funny. Literally, like, it's like, there's no, I don't have words for you.
I'll try. You need to sit down, this may take a while. Hey boys, girls, watch this makeup.
That's right.
Just hope you ain't allergic to this stuff now.
Oh, you're not allergic to like latex, right?
No, we're good.
Okay.
You mean you never asked her that in person? Oh, that's fun. Here, I'm gonna do you. And then next you know, her stuff, she just breaks all
Huge, like a
I've
balloon.
got like big giant red blotches all over me.
Oh.
Dad!
What?
Can you open this?
Don't do that with your teeth. Are you
Can't get it.
crazy?
It's glued together and we're gonna need that spirit gum.
Oh.
It's glued.
Yeah, it's glue. It's literally glue, so the cap is glued on. Nope! We just decided that we're turning poison ivy into an elf. Did you smell dinner? I did stuffed chicken.
It looks so good. I highly suggest going to look at it.
I highly suggest going to look at it.
Make sure you talk about in the video how you froze me to death. That's why I'm wearing this pink sweater like...
I love you so. Oh yeah, smell the new smell for Matrix shampoo.
Ooh, what is that?
Matrix strengthening shampoo.
Oh, the red one.
Yeah, they
I have it.
they redid the
I
scent.
just bought it.
It smells so.
I don't know.
Yes,
They did say something.
that's what I have in my shower right now.
It's my favorite shampoo ever.
Yeah, I like it too.
The Andrew.
Yes.
Go ahead and answer.
Or Mia Moore or 2 others?
There's my phone did a weird copy thing.
So she said she was gonna talk.
Hello there, handsome. How are you tonight? What's going on?
You really want to go to court? No.
Oh, your wife. Excuse me, is there something that I need to know?
No.
Okay. Oh, I got you. Alright, here you go. Apparently he's your husband already.
Hey babe.
Really?
I'd slaughter
What's up?
them.
Intro done. One take.
That's a lot of things to be a part of. I'd still...
I love you. Running game. Say my name, say my name.
shady and calling me baby. The sudden change. If no one is around you, say baby I love you.
I am really just, you know how much faster that would have been?
Bake. You bake your face. Oh, I didn't even know terminology. Andrew, you're ahead of me. Way ahead. Way ahead.
Only because of her.
I thought we were baking cookies or something.
I thought we were baking cookies.